Like any aircraft, a Cessna plane is safe to use if well maintained. Cessna aircraft are often used as training plane by flying schools here in the country. Now that the aircraft brand is involved in two separate accidents this year, the Cessna 206, which was carrying 6 people, was reported missing on January 24 in Isabela, and the Cessna 340 with 4 passengers, which is still being confirmed if it's the wreckage found in Mayon Volcano within the vicinity of Camalig, Albay.
Ang air travel naman, isa sa pinaka-safe mode of travel, ano? Mas mataas, maliit ang chance na magkaroon ng insidente o aksidente.
Based on the report of the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, Cessna planes were involved in at least 13 accidents from March 2019 to April 2022. The usual identified causes: human or technical error. CAAP explains all registered aircraft in the country undergo thorough inspection before they are issued certificates of airworthiness. When asked if there's a need to temporarily suspend the operations of all Cessna planes in the country following the recent accidents, CAAP says,
Iba ho kasi ang treatment sa commercial aircraft, ano? Unlike sa Air Force po, Philippine Air Force, pag isang model ang nagka-problema, lahat ho yung grounded. Dito po sa issue ng ating Cessna, marami ho kasi individual owner niyan at mostly mga flying school. Kaya hindi naman natin pwedeng basta nagkaroon ng issue sa isang Cessna operated by another company, kailangan hindi po pwedeng ipahintuin naman yung operations ng ibang aircraft.
Albay Representative Joey Salceda says it is also important to look into the air tracking and navigational systems of the country if these are up to speed, citing the struggles to locate missing aircraft.
Compliance naman kami sa ICAO, but tama po yung sinabi ni Congressman Salceda, may improve pa ho natin yan at kailangan ho ng assistin ng ating gobyerno para at least makapurchase ng bagong equipment.
Salceda, chairman of the House Ways and Means Committee, says he will work with the Transportation Department to identify the problems and find solutions in relation to the air transportation infrastructures in the country. Gerg Cahiles, CNN Philippines.